Don't buy this power bank until you are done with this video. I'm telling you this out of experience because I've used this power bank for 3 weeks now, and I will tell you exactly what this power bank is. I will tell you what this power bank is all about, the unboxing of this power bank. Guess what? I'm giving a full honest review out of the experience I have had with this power bank. So when I bought this power bank, there's one thing I noticed about the power bank. I think it's like a sales booster from the Oraimo company, because this is like a flagship of the line of Oraimo power banks, and this is really good. And but there are some bad side of this power bank, so please, you might want to know that before you purchase. Of course, we know how much this power bank costs, about 37 to 41,000 naira, depending on your location in Nigeria. Mine was bought at 39k, including the shipping fee from Jumia, right? So you can check out Jumia and other stores to check out some other reviews and pricing of this power bank if you really need this. But you must be done with this video. So right now, I'm going to be unboxing the power bank, and you're going to see exactly how it is when you open it up the first time. Now, when you buy this power bank, this thing have some fake version out there. So to know if the one you bought is original, please watch the video on the card up here, or you can use the link in the video description below, and you'll see how to know if your power bank is original or not. You can see how nice this power bank is. The body design, everything about it is really nice. It's luxurious, yeah, to an extent. But if you have used the new age power bank before, there's one version of it that was something like this. So I think, and that was like a power box, or let's say power house, or like, but it was really large. So I think this is a change in design from the traditional Oraimo we used to know. If the battery life of your former power bank is good and you feel like, oh, I want to buy this new one, you think you want to upgrade, or you think the one you have is not good enough, don't be worried about anything, because there's no really big difference. I'm going to explain to you the reason why even your old power bank, your old Oraimo power bank, is better than this one. Yeah. So from their box here, they claim it has the AniFast technology, and from the former one, there's nothing like AniFast technology. So we're going to really test if this is actually true. Now, the Oraimo company claimed that this is a 40,000 milliampere battery packed in this power bank. Yeah, you might want to upgrade from your 3,000, 2,000, 20,000 mAh power bank to this one. But here are some reasons why. Now, in this video, I will be stating the positive side of this power bank, and also the reason why you're watching it, the cons, things you should consider before buying the power bank. Now, one little difference between this one and the former version of the Oraimo power bank, it used to have the percentage reader, from the screen there to show you how many percent, but they just gave this on a bigger screen and added the percentage stuff in there. It was before we just see the number, if it's 50%, 50, but right now there's a percentage besides, so just giving it a bigger screen. Who knows, in the nearest future we'll be having a phone in a power bank a bigger screen in the power bank. Forget about that. Now, the good part of this power bank is, from the former version of the Oraimo power bank, we can only use the normal USB to your iPhone cable. That's the type we can use right now. So we usually use the type C to charge it, that format type. But this new one, we can charge the power bank with the type C, and we can also discharge it with the type C. I don't know if you understand what I'm talking about. So it's actually a good improvement. Now, one good part of this power bank is that it can charge your phone. I'm talking about fast. The AniFast technology is really good. Let's say your phone do charge with the AC current with about, let's say, 3 hours. My iPhone do charge for, let's say, 3 hours with depends, sometimes less. Now, to watch how fast this power bank can charge a phone or any accessory, please watch the video at the top right corner here, or you can also use the link in the video description. So I'm going to tell you some reasons why your old power bank is better than this one, if you actually have one before, or what you should consider before pumping money into this thing, because this is fucking 38,000 naira. Who want to just waste money without checking everything about what they want to buy? Even from the box here, we're seeing something like triple output. Yeah, that is what I'm talking about, using your type C as a distributor, to connect. You can use your type C to charge your phone. If you have a type C iPhone code, you can use it to charge your phone with this power bank, which will not work in the former type. Oraimo also claim that this power bank has improved durability. That's nice. Is it worth your money? Now I'm heading on to the con, the reason why you should check this power bank. This is actually a bad side. This power bank, I've said something before about the design, and this is actually one. It's not a big factor though, but let's talk about originality here. The fact that this power bank should be able to charge our laptop as claimed by other videos. It has such output, but it was not able to charge my laptop. Maybe depending on the version you use, but it didn't charge mine. Now, one big disadvantage of this power bank that I don't like for any reason is I do use the old one. That one can charge with an iPhone cable, a Type C, and a normal USB, and with also two outputs. Like, it has two outputs, but this one gives us three outputs and two inputs. Considerable. But the fact that I have an iPhone cord and I might want to charge my power bank with an iPhone cord, this new power bank does not support that. So imagine you're using an iPhone, you have to get an extra cord to charge your power bank, unless you are using a Samsung device, any device, or let's say Techno device that uses the Type C. Then this is not a bad choice for you, because your Type C cable can charge the power bank. But people that use iPhone, you have to get an extra cord, because you cannot charge this power bank with your iPhone cord. You can only charge with the Type C cord and the other type of charging ports we used to know. Now, if you look closely, this video I'm making now is just to give you the full review, both the unboxing, the pros, the cons of this power bank, the charging test, every single thing about this power bank is covered. So just check the video description of this video and you see everything about this power bank. Just watch all the videos and you can decide whether you want to buy the power bank or not. Yeah, but in summary, like I said earlier, this power bank is actually a nice power bank. The reason why you should buy this power bank, if you are a traveler, you want to use it to travel and you want to just, you are fully covered, you don't have any problems. But some other things that people consider is what I covered in this video, and that's what you should check out in the video description below. Now, if you're looking for where to buy social media accounts, to grow your followers, any social media services you want, we have the surest plug out there. You can check out ZDM. Like, this is the best plug. I'm talking about sure plug for any kind of social media account, both Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, any kind of account you're looking for, including brand management and many other things. Anything social media service, social media management, they deal very well with that. Alright, so you can check out the video description as well, or the link you can see in your screen now, or also the card above. Alright, so you can just check it out and contact them for anything you need. And please, if you find this video helpful, don't hesitate to like, share and subscribe. Obviously I've tried now. Please like, share to your friends, people that might want to watch this video, or people that want to buy the power bank or something. Just share. Even if you don't want to share, you can also share the fact that ZDM is actually good in social media service. Of course, we'll have a link in the description below.